Hi, I'm Heidi Nord with the Brilliant Dyslexic, and thank you so much for coming and watching to this next video. So these videos, I have 5, and they are about how sounds feel in your mouth. And what I'm going to do is show you what some of the others are, and then we're going to get in on the sounds. So this first one, this is called Letter and Sounds Feel. The first one is called Lippity Pippities. And that is in another video if you want to watch that one. There's another one called Zombies. And this lesson is Say Cheese. Because whenever you have a photographer take a picture, typically they will say cheese. And do you know the reason they do that? It's because when you make certain sounds, you actually smile when you're saying the sound. So these ones are called Say Cheese, like you do with a photographer. So, show me your pearly white teeth. This is the lesson we're going to be doing that. So this is Say Cheese, teeth. Okay, so the first sound is E. So the reason the photographer has you say cheese is because you are already in a smile when you say that sound. And these sounds are really great for you to be able to feel happy. They've actually done research that shows if you hold a pen in your teeth like this, because your mouth is already smiling, you will think happier and better thoughts of yourself. So these ones are really good to say for a couple of different reasons, but the say cheese are the sounds that have you smile when you say them. So this is E. And here's the QR code on the letter if you have the letter sets to be able to watch the video that goes with cheese. And most normally this is spelled with a double E. Okay, so the next one is A. A. So this is another one. If you can see my mouth and if you say A and look in the mirror, A, you still see that I am still showing my teeth and it looks like a cheese sound, right? A. So that one is also a cheese sound. And this one goes with the letter card ape. Ape. So the next one is air. Air. So if you noticed, some of the sound cards have 2 mouth positions, and that's because you're actually, when we talk, our mouth is moving the whole time, right? So even when it's just one sound, our mouth is still moving positions. So this one is air, 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 and that is a say cheese sound. This next one is similar to that, except it starts with an E. And so it's ear, ear. So let's go ahead and go to the next screen. So that one is ear. Hang on 1 second. There we go. There is the ear, ear. So you start with, say cheese, you start with your teeth, ear, and then your mouth moves positions. This next one is one where you get to be super silly and you're going to put your tongue through your teeth. This sound is, and if you feel your mouth, you'll notice that it is in a smile. So this is the say cheese sound. And this one actually has 2. Remember how we have talked about copycats? And if you haven't seen that video, you can look through the videos in YouTube. But copycats basically are sounds that are very similar, except one difference. One of the cats has a megaphone, and that sound is a very, very loud sound. So we have a whisper sound, and we have a mega sound, and you can feel your cheeks because you can feel the little vibrations when you actually make a voiced sound. So that one is and and there is the lettering that goes with that, TH. Okay, this next one is something that is icky, I. So on this card right here, you can see it here. I have the I card, so this is a short I sound, and I actually put mud on the card because that is an icky thing to put on the card. So this is the sound that goes with icky, I. And if you notice, my mouth is still looks like it's in the say cheese. It looks like a photographer might come and say cheese, even though I'm saying icky. Okay, so that's what this one is called. If you haven't yet had a chance to see the zombies lesson or the lippity pippities, those are fun ones to go to also. Thank you so much for coming to this lesson, which is Say Cheese. This is Heidi Nord with the Brilliant Dyslexic.